Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Chava versus Shakeology. We'll explore their core differences and similarities to help you decide which nutritional shake best fits your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from their ingredients and nutritional profiles to their potential benefits and cost. This comparison will give you a clear overview so you can make an informed choice for your health journey. Let's dive in and see how these popular shakes stack up against each other. Let's look at the nutritional content of each shake. Chava provides 240 calories per serving, with 25 grams of plant-based protein and 6 grams of dietary fiber. It also contains 7 grams of fat and 20 grams of carbohydrates, including 4 grams of added sugar. Shakeology, on the other hand, typically has 140 to 160 calories, offering 16 to 17 grams of protein and 6 to 7 grams of fiber. It has 5 to 3 grams of fat and 11 to 17 grams of carbohydrates, with some flavors having 0 to 5 grams of added sugar. Now let's explore what's inside these shakes and their benefits. Chava boasts a comprehensive blend of plant proteins, including pea and brown rice, along with adaptogens like maca and reishi mushrooms. It also contains probiotics and omega-3 fatty acids. Shakeology offers a protein blend, often whey or pea, combined with superfoods, adaptogens such as ashwagandha, and digestive enzymes. Both are designed to support healthy digestion, boost energy levels, enhance immunity, and contribute to overall well-being. Finally, let's talk about cost and value. Chava typically ranges from about $3.99 to $4.66 per serving, with discounts available through subscription plans. Shakeology is generally priced higher, costing approximately $4.33 to $5.41 per serving, with a 30-serving bag usually around $129.95. Both offer substantial nutritional value, but their price points reflect their unique ingredient profiles and brand positioning. For those looking for a great read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.